Hey, welcome back to our channel. Here we make learning how to add members area in Wix easy. Subscribe and let us explore together. Let us begin now. Get started. Log into your Wix account as an administrator, ensuring you have the necessary permissions to make changes and configurations. We will be looking for a plugin or app to add to our Wix store, specifically to Wix members area. There are actually two ways to access this. The first one is navigate to the Wix App Store by clicking on Apps on the left-hand side of your dashboard, then simply select App Market. Alternatively, you can utilize the search bar at the top right corner of your dashboard. Simply type Wix Members Area and hit Enter. Once you have found the app, click on it and wait for it to load. You will then have the option to Add to Site. Click on this, and a new window will appear, granting the app permission to integrate with your Wix site. So from there, you can add on member areas and modify the fields and whatnot, configure the names and so on. You can add friends and companies as members, and there you have it. That is how you can add a members area on Wix. Thanks for watching videos in our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content and exploration. See you in the next video.